Kamusta ang relationship nyo with Pen Shop Brands?
Well, yung relationship po namin with Pen Shop feels like family talaga. Kasi kami pong Bini, gusto namin pag may nakaka-work kami ng brand, yung same kami ng values po. And we share the same values po. Authenticity, confidence. And sa lahat ng naka-work namin na brand, this is one of those partnerships where everything just flows naturally. Kasi the brand really believes in what we do, in who we are. They've supported our growth. Sinusuportahan nila kami as a whole as Bini. Kaya sobrang nakaka-proud din talaga maging part ng family nito. And sana hindi lang pang 1 year, syempre.
Ako naman po, kapag yung magve-vacation na kaming Bini, yung papasko na talaga, na gloomy weather, gaya nasa bahay ka lang, or condo, or kwarto, tapos manonood ng movie, iinom ng ng hot chocolate drink. Ayun. Cozy days for me. Iinom ng
May posta.
Ako po, since hindi din po ako type na tao na sobrang magala. So, nasa bahay lang din, with family or friends, na nasa bahay, catch up lang, kumain, manood ng movies, mag-karaoke. Yeah.